Hello, my name is Sachin Saswade. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Turiya AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through the features of Turiya AI. Turiya AI is a unified solution to orchestrate the AI components and the flows, single click to deploy flow, and then start interacting with that flow. Let's start with the interactor. Interactor is the application to interact with the AI flows that are deployed by the orchestrator. Now, once these are deployed, then user can select the workflow based on the access given to that user and select here in this case, I'm selecting a discount evaluator and I'm going to select a question, and this could be a list of questions they would generally ask to this flow, or they can type or speak their question. Once the question is asked, we'll run through this multi-agentic flow. In this case, there are two agents and it is processing the first agent at this time. And then it will hop onto the next agent. So here is the one that I already executed this flow. This flow generally took around 15 seconds to execute. And this, the question was recommend the unprocessed skew discounting strategy basically. So it went through the flows and it provided the strategy about that particular SKU, which is SKU number 45. And the strategy for discounting suggested is what is the minimum discount, average discount, and what is the discount. So this is calculated per the implementation of flow and the customization of the agents evaluate the profitability as well as impact on the profit by discounting and so on. So this is one of the examples of the flow, and there are multiple flows one can deploy because organizations will have 10, 20, 50, 100 flows. Now let me switch to the orchestrator. So this particular flow, in this case, is a discount evaluator. So here is the flow. There is an agent that initiates the SKU processing. That's where it picked SKU number 45 because that was not processed yet. And here it went through this processing of that SKU discounting through this team of agents, where first agent is the evaluation expert and second agent is a critic for that evaluation. So together they went through few rounds of discussion and it came up with that discounting strategy that you just saw in this execution. So if I select show me all the interactions of agent, here you see the expert came in, it executed certain output, then critic came in and it commented on those investigation, then again expert came back and it kind of answered that critic there, and after their discussion and after the approval by the critic, it kind of gave the final answer here. So this process can be implemented, which improves the reliability of the AI workflow outputs. And Turiya AI allows to create various patterns like this. Even one can add the human in the loop, where this human in the loop will review the outcomes by this flow, and human then can say I approve this or disapprove this, and then the next steps would execute after that. So it is very flexible, as you could see that I just pulled the agent and created this flow. We offer a library of agents here. So it depends on what type of use cases you want to implement. We already have 40 plus agents currently implemented to do various tasks. You can always add your own agents by selecting which type of agent you want to add. And then you can just select it and write the prompt and select the model and it will start working. Or you can take this agent and you can always customize this prompt for your own needs from the library. We offer various skills. Skills are nothing but the tools, which are plugins for the agents to interact with the databases, APIs, knowledge bases, and so on. Our system also allows to create new knowledge bases, which is kind of documentation, product documentation, sales policies, and so on. And you can add a flow that will help sales agents or customers to interact with your systems. And these are the various workflows, and it's very important that there is a centralized way to manage all these workflows, because if there is a change required to use latest LLM or LLM from a different cloud, uh, then you can very well, our system is flexible enough to use LLMs from multiple clouds, as well as the multi kind of types of LLM into a single AI flow. Here it is a trained model here, and it's kind of standard copy of a standard GPT 4.1 LLM. So you can have a single flow that can use both of these brains. That's pretty much about orchestrator, and the system management point of view. This is where you can see the license status of your system. You can also see the token used, and we have a pretty detailed telemetry on which flows are using how much tokens. With that way, you can control the costs also of AI consumption. If you have any other questions, please reach out to, or you can visit our website, www.turiya-ai.com. Thank you.